does dim for the Aira, which is pretty cool. It actually dims for a fan with the Eco motor. Here's, it's pretty cool. There's one giant fan right there. It's 72-inch blade span. Seriously, look at that. 8 blades. Does spread out the air really well. Speed 2.
Really good since January 1st.
And yes, there's a copper brewmaster right there, which people like.
And I'm going
Fan
to
collectors
stay
like
that way.
me.
Yeah.
Here's the light.
Because
Once again,
seriously,
3.
it's kind of weird. When I get extra
And I'll kick it up to speed number 4.
it doesn't feel good, but you still eat.
It's not very fast, but it kicks out good air.
So I've been, I have, like when David eats sometimes certain food, it smells so good. I want to eat some
5.
food, but I go, nope.
There's 6 speeds to this
What
fan.
kind of fish?
It's damp rated, so pretty cool. Never really knew it was damp rated until now.
I love sushi.
People would like to film a fan that looks like this, and people want to bring big fans.
I hear people saying, oh,
That's really good for a 72-inch fan breeze right there.
I'm horrified of
I'm gonna kick it up to 6 high speed.
The other day I was watching YouTube and there was this cheese. There's like these maggots growing on it, but they eat them. It's
There's high.
considered. Yeah, hello. They can have all my worms. It ain't coming in my face. Wait, live? They were like roasted. And wait,
There's a
he
stealth
brought
in
it
here
for
too,
lunch?
so yeah, I could film that.
One of his side dishes for his lunch.
Oh, I think I. Oh my! And they're like brown,
This is
crispy.
like, why
looking.
not?
Oh,
film
that
this?
is so gross. But I think, David, would you eat worms?
Crispy worms.
Well, one of her
And this is really good.
coworkers
Fans.
brought a
Yeah,
side
we have
dish.
this. Thanks for watching the Emerson Aira Eco.
Crispy worms.
I might
Watch.
try.